Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smart air quality monitoring with Eve Room easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Eve Room and ensure all components are included. Plug in the Eve Room using an adapter if necessary, or ensure it has fresh batteries. Download the Eve app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the Eve app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled for the setup process. In the Eve app, tap on Add Accessory to start pairing your Eve Room. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Eve Room to your smartphone. Once paired, you can customize your settings, such as naming your device. Select the preferred measurement units for temperature, humidity, and air quality. Position your Eve Room in a location that accurately reflects the environment you want to monitor. For optimal performance, place it away from direct sunlight and airflow from vents or windows. After setting the position, let the device calibrate for a few minutes. You can now monitor real-time data from the Eve Room within the app. Explore additional features like notifications for air quality changes. Consider connecting Eve Room to HomeKit for smart home integration. Review data trends over time through the app to make informed decisions. Periodically check your Eve Room's battery status or connection to maintain performance. That's it. Your smart air quality monitoring with Eve Room is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.